Welcome to World Dispatch, where we explore fascinating topics from around the globe. In today's episode, we will dive into the awe-inspiring realm of China's futuristic cities. 1. Shenzhen, the Silicon Valley of China. Our first stop takes us to Shenzhen, a city located in Guangdong Province, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of China. Shenzhen has transformed from a fishing village to a bustling metropolis and a hub for innovation and technology. The city's skyline is adorned with futuristic skyscrapers, such as the Ping Finance Center and the Shenzhen Stock Exchange Tower, showcasing stunning architecture and engineering prowess. Shenzhen is home to numerous tech companies and startups, fostering an environment of creativity and entrepreneurship. 2. Shanghai, pioneering urban development. Next on our list is Shanghai, China's largest city and a shining example of futuristic urban development. The skyline of Shanghai boasts iconic landmarks like the Oriental Pearl Tower and the Shanghai Tower, the second tallest building globally. The city's urban planning incorporates sustainable concepts with green spaces, pedestrian-friendly streets, and efficient public transportation systems. Shanghai's vision for the future extends to projects like the Shanghai Urban Space Art Season, where artists and designers reimagine public spaces with interactive installations.